Welcome to your trusted source for breaking news and updates. Today, we bring you shocking developments from KWAMASHU, where crime is spiraling out of control. Stay with us as we unpack the latest incidents that have left residents shaken and demanding action. Cash in transit heist and supermarket robbery. KWAMASHU, Monday, the 31st of March 2025. Automatic cash in transit CIT heist unfolded on the M25 highway near KWAMASHU at around 17 o'clock, sending panic through motorists and commuters in the area. According to reports, a group of heavily armed criminals ambushed a cash van, overpowering security personnel and seizing their firearms. The exact amount of cash stolen has not been disclosed. The attack led to chaos on the busy roadway, with motorists and taxi passengers abandoning their vehicles and fleeing for safety. A woman was reportedly shot during the heist, adding to the growing concern over violent crime in the area.